Well, I actually rescue retired dogs and abused dogs, and we put them in our farm where they can live their lives happily. So my friend, Chef Patricia Luanson, actually adopted a Marawi veteran dog in 2018 from Hound Haven, and she shared with me all the positive upsides of adopting such a dog. They are very intelligent, adaptive, and very disciplined. I believe that Hound Haven actually has the best adoption process. They take care both of the interests of the dog as well as the adopter. Binuksan nila ang aming puso sa pag-adopt ng more dogs. So that's why nag-adopt kami ulit ng panibagong Belgian na dating mall security guard dog and isang neglected na maliit na Belgian ulit na nanggaling naman sa isang rescue ng isang family in Nuvali. On top of that, yung mga abandoned dogs ng isang vet, kinuha na rin namin. So ngayon, meron kaming 7 dogs. The work of Hound Haven is very important. Kasi yung mga service dog, binigay nila ang kanilang buhay, the best years of their lives in the service of humanity. And Hound Haven enables us to serve or give back to the service dogs yung kanilang namang inimpok sa kanilang part ng buhay nila.
Ang Hound Haven ay isang non-profit organization, the first and only here in the Philippines that caters to retired military working dogs and contract working dogs. So we work with agencies katulad ng Philippine Army K9 Battalion, Philippine Air Force, tsaka Philippine Aviation Security Group. And kinukuha namin yung mga K9s na retirado na from government service. Dinadala yung mga K9s na to sa center namin sa Angat, Bulacan where they undergo a rehabilitation process. And then after that, once fully rehabilitated na sila, we put them up for adoption. So our goal really is to allow these working dogs to have a normal life after a lifetime of service. Us at Hound Haven, we feel like it's very important to give these dogs a second chance. And why is that? Sila kasi yung epitome ng phrase na a lifetime of service. Working dogs work for about 8 to 15 years. And if animal lover ka, you know that this is almost the lifespan of a dog, which means nagtatrabaho sila ng sobrang tagal, almost their whole lives. And then when they retire, they have to spend the remainder of their lives in small cages. So we feel like they deserve so much better. And it's our duty to make sure that they get the kind of life that they deserve. Right now, we have 17 dogs in the center. Since 2017, we've had around 15 dogs adopted out to new families.
Malaki ang pasasalamat namin sa Hound Haven dahil binuksan nila ang aming puso sa ganitong pagkakataon at sa pag-adapt kay Camellia in particular. No? Kaya naman sinusuportahan din namin ang Hound Haven. Sana marami pang tumakilik sa Hound Haven at ipaglaban ang cause ng retired military dogs na nagsilbi naman sa atin sa kanilang buhay.
Joining us today ay si Maxine.
Si Jekka, say hi! Oh.
Ganda naman, Maxine, ang inyong naisip.
Salamat, Tito Boy. Ano talaga siya? It's a dream of the family to have an animal shelter. Nagkataon lang na after our research, nalaman talaga namin na wala pa po talagang ganung klaseng organization here in the city.
Ako, I wouldn't have thought about something like this until I saw it, na bigyan ng magandang buhay ang mga dogs. I realized that 10 to 15 years, itong mga asong ito ay nagsilbi. No? Brilliant concept, no? Brilliant concept. At maraming salamat.
So many Filipinos, of course, around the world, grew up with dogs, including us, took them for granted. And eto nga, dogs who served all of us. Diba? In security, anti-drugs, safety sa malls and everything. So, just incredible work talaga.
Thank you, Senator Ad.
I wanna add. So my daughters were the ones who found Hound Haven, right?
Yes.
And they visited in Bulacan because they wanted my mom to have a companion. So, na-decide nila na ang bagay sa mami ko, imbis na yung retired dog, meron din kasi kayong quota pa isa-isa, di ba, per year,
Yes,
na hindi working dogs, kundi yung talagang rescue dogs. Ang i-adapt ng mami ko, isa lang. Prepare namin ng mami ko. Siyempre, may responsibility yan, ha? We've talked about in the previous show. Hindi dahil gusto mo, pwede. Kailangan handa ka. And my mom said handa siya. Meron naman siyang financial capacity, of course. Pero magbibigay din siya ng time. Pero anyway, the story is, itong si Gabi lang ang i-adapt ni mami. Na-remember mo?
Yes, yes.
Tapos pagpunta ng daughters ko doon, bumalik sila sa mami ko, sabi nila, Mom, Gabi has a best friend. Si Diego, hindi daw pwede maghiwalay. So biglang si Mami, okay, sige, kukunin ko silang dalawa.
So, man's best friend is a dog, pero the dog also has a best friend.
Yeah. And then, eksakto, who would have known na magkaka-pandemic? Na-adapt sila just before the pandemic. And kami, like all our older loved ones, takot na takot tayo na mahawa sila, di ba? Pag nakikita kami ng mami ko, para siyang Rapunzel, nandun siya sa second floor, mahaba yung buhok niya. Hanggang ganun lang kami sa mami ko. Kung hindi dahil pa sa, syempre, sa mga kasambahay niya, tsaka sa mga to, wala pa siyang kasama. So sila talaga yung nakasama niya the whole pandemic. Kaya love na love namin sila. But then to further it, which is what I'm very proud of, nilapit niya sa amin yung problems ng yun nga yung mga retired dogs na I hope you caught that part na sinabi na imagine, after nila magtrabaho ng 15 years, tapos walang mag-aalaga, nandun lang sila sa isang maliit na kulungan and they'll die a sad life.
Parang pinanish mo pa instead of ni-reward.
Imbis na i-reward. And then we found out because of them na dahil sa mga COA rulings, sila ay considered property of the government. Dahil property sila ng government, hindi din basta nila makuha, hindi nila basta maalagaan. And yung mga naging handler nila, gusto din lang silang kunin, bawal. Makakasuhan sila ng
Theft.
Parang theft, kasi nga, property ng government. So, inaayos natin lahat yon, right? Na maayos na yung ruling, pwede silang, parang first priority is their handler kasi syempre napalapit na sila, karamihan sa kanila, gusto rin naman silang kunin. Then kung hindi, ibibigay sila sa Hound Haven or sa ibang katulad nila na mag-aalaga or maghahanap ng mag-a-adapt. So, I'm so proud of your work.
Thank you, Senator Pian. And thank you for all the help.
Oh, and by the way, you can follow them on Instagram, Hound Haven PH, right?
Yes.
If there are people watching and they want to help, how can they help?
There are actually 3 ways for you to help. Unang-una, syempre, yung pag-adopt. I think yun yung pinaka-ultimate commitment na mabibigay nyo. Mag-adopt kayo ng aso sa amin. Of course, you can also volunteer. May mga events po tayo at nangangailangan po kami lagi ng manpower para tumulong sa amin, pumunta sa mga events, i-promote ang advocacy ng Hound Haven sa mga tao. Aside from that, pwede rin po kayong mag-donate. Pwede rin pong in-kind or in cash kung ano po yung komportable sa inyo. Every little bit helps po para sa Hound Haven.
Yun. And then I wanna mention na meron kaming gift sa inyo. We have dog food, care of our sponsor. Thank you sa NutriChunks for the, siguro marami kang mapapakain ng mga working dogs na nag-retire. Thank you. And we also have other canned dog food, vitamins and supplements, and heavy-duty collars and leashes kasi malalaki ang dogs. But what I don't have right now, kasi last minute ko na-prepare, is my favorite snacks for our dogs, and it's called Bruce Barcuterie. You can also buy, but I will also be giving for your dogs in a...
Thank you so much.
And of course,
Maraming salamat.
from us, a little
Thank you
donation
po.
also.
Thank you.
Naisip ko lang parang 15 years, di ba? Nanindihan yan sa bayan. Tapos iiwanan mo lang sa isang corner.
Yeah.
Naalala ko, hindi lamang mga aso, naalala ko, mga tao.
Tao rin.
Oo, parang gano'n. It's a reminder to all of us to say thank you, to say maraming salamat, and really to be grateful and kind.
Yes.
Taksin, maraming salamat.
Thank you for having me.
At marami sa atin ang mananalo ng mga premyo dahil tayo maglalaro ng Alan Pia Pick. Ang runners-up, 2,000 pesos. Ang mga winners, 10,000 pesos. Pwede rin magpaikot ng ruleta kung saan pwede tayo manalo ng 2, 3, or 5,000 pesos. Or even 10,000 pesos.
Lahat ng yan ay pwede mangyari sa pagbabalik ng